If you can train your dog to wear a collar or even a cute little coat, then guess what? You can train your dog to wear a muzzle. We humans have all sorts of negative ideas and associations with muzzles, but for our dogs, they're just another weird piece of gear that sometimes they have to wear in order to fit into human society. And they can be just as comfortable as a collar or a coat. It's often not even that hard to train. I find for most dogs, teaching it using targeting works pretty well. I pull the muzzle out, I mark and reward the dog for going towards it, and then I toss a treat away from the muzzle. You'll notice that my hand stays still, so it's always the dog's choice to approach and eventually to put their nose inside of the basket. And once the dog is putting their nose in and holding it there confidently for a little bit of duration, honestly, I just put some peanut butter in it and let them enjoy some muzzle time. That's what I did with Lottie to get her ready for racing, and it worked great. Now, some dogs are a lot more sensitive, or maybe they already have a negative history with muzzles. This can make it more difficult, but still not impossible. What I like to suggest is breaking down some of the sensations that they're going to experience with the muzzle with other objects first. So putting their nose in a cup, resting things on top of the bridge of their nose, hearing a click behind their ear, feeling straps slide across their cheeks, all sorts of little sensations that will come together to give them a positive experience with the muzzle. Personally, I think muzzle training is important for every dog because you never know when you might need it. Tilney is muzzle trained for emergencies and Lottie is muzzle trained for sports. It's just a great skill to have.